In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Hostinger. Whether you're a new entrepreneur setting up your first online store or a seasoned seller looking to expand your inventory, knowing how to efficiently add products is essential for managing your e-commerce platform. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along and have your products up and running in no time. First, before we get into the details, it's crucial to have your account set up on Hostinger. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and create an account on their platform. Now, once you're all set up, let's dive into adding those products. The first step is to open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login button on the top corner of the homepage. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details to access your account. Take your time to ensure you've entered everything correctly, and if this is your first time, don't forget to explore their user-friendly dashboard once you're logged in. From your Hostinger dashboard, navigate to the Home section. Here you'll see a series of options available to you to manage your website efficiently. It's designed to make navigation intuitive so you won't get lost in a sea of buttons and commands. Next is the website section. Click on this option to access your site settings. This is where you'll manage many aspects of your online presence, including the vital task of your store management. Moving forward, find the option labelled Manage Store, give that a click and you'll be directed to your store's central hub. This is your control center for everything related to your store, from settings and configurations to managing your inventory. Despite how daunting managing an online store might sound, Hostinger simplifies this process considerably. Now once you're inside your store management area, the next step is to look for and click on the Products section. This section is where you will add your new items or modify existing ones in your store. Here you'll have the chance to upload product descriptions, set prices and manage stock levels. And finally, the exciting part comes as you click on plus add product. A new window will open, prompting you to fill out the necessary details about the product you wish to add, such as the name, price, description, and images. Take your time with this section, as providing detailed and accurate information will significantly improve your customers' shopping experience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding products to your Hostinger store. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on managing your e-commerce platform. Happy selling!